Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning. Firstly, I would like to thank Fateh teams for being here for the virtual program preview (PPP) for Master of Science Business Intelligence and Analytics for ODL program. So thank you also to Associate Professor Dr. Samira Albati Kamaruddin, Deputy Dean Academic and Student Affairs. Our coordinator, Dr. Noshaliza Kamaruddin, who I think she was a hardworking and diligent uh, penyelaras previously when preparing the COPA and everything until it is already approved until to the KPT level. So I think this is the platform for all the potential students to get in-depth information regarding the program structures, the admissions, the requirements, and also the program fees. I think you may ask the coordinator if you have any questions regarding the ODL program. So bear in mind that ODL program is different compared to the conventional programs, as it is fully online for UTM ODL program. And I think this is an advantage for the students because you still you can learn all the, you can first pursue your study without going to UTM, and it is very flexible. So I think I will pass the session to coordinator, Dr. Nashaliza, to give the briefing. Okay, thanks. That's all from me.
Thank you, Dr. Nurhalini. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning. Alright, thank you so much SPS as giving us Fatir to actually do a program preview for Master of Science, Business Intelligence and Analytics, mode open distance learning. Right, actually I've already forwarded the link to most of the potential students, but maybe because of the Chinese New Year break kan, so some of them balik kampung. So recently I think there's a few coming in. Alright, so the program is actually Master of Science, Business Intelligence and Analytics. I am from Faculty Technology and Informatics Razak. Okay, so this is me. I am Noshaliza Kamaruddin. Currently is actually the coordinator for this program. I think my colleague just now, Dr. Shah Azmila, already discussed on Razak faculty or FATIF. So this is our mission and vision. So multidisciplinary. And I am actually from Jabatan Informatik, okay, Advanced Informatik. And the courses that is going to be offered is actually number 13. Sarjana Sains, Analitik dan Kepintaran Perniagaan, that's in BM lah. So in English it's actually a Master of Science, Business Intelligence and Analytics. This is currently the conventional mode. So we are actually going to offer this program, the conventional program, through the ODL mode, inshallah, in semester 1, which is in October 2023. Right, so just let me give an overview on the Master of Intelligence, Master of Science, Business Intelligence and Analytics conventional way. So this is the conventional program, right? For ODL, the structure, the curriculum are all the same for ODL, similar to conventional. It means that the credit hours is 45. The structure of the program is kerja khusus. The differences, and currently, you can see that the number of students for conventional program is convincing. Yeah? I mean, this is one of the flagship program for FATIF. So the differences between the conventional and the ODL is just the mode, this mode, right? For ODL, it is actually having two packages. But for ODL, for conventional, it's having 2 package. But for ODL, it's only 1 package, where the minimum semester, 4 semester, and maximum semester is 8 semester. And we propose to offer this somewhere in October 2023. Okay, so this is the overall process. Okay, registration online. This is whatever happened. Okay, so let me just give the overview for the program. So the goal of this program is actually to produce an ICT professional who have advanced knowledge and skill in the field of business intelligence and data analytics. But for your information, yeah, currently we also accept students who are not in the background of IT, but you must have an experience. Okay, working experience at least 5 years lah. We have a few students which are in business area, human resource, and so forth. Okay. All right. So this is basically about the conventional program, right? So the level is 7, master level. So this is the scope, the code, and the MQA standard is computing. This is basically the curriculum structure. The credit hours, 45 credit, taught courses, full-time. Okay, the mode delivery for this one is actually ODL. Our compulsory subject, compulsory courses is 36 credit and elective courses is 9 credit. So 9 credit means that you have only 3 courses to take. Okay, compulsory subject after we will see in detail. Okay, this is the program additional objective, 3 objective here, and we have 11 PLO here, right? So in this program, right, you can see that there are some, one mathematics, which is statistics, and then there are subjects on business also, and there are also a subject which involve computing. Okay, one of it is actually the advanced artificial intelligence lah. Okay, so this is a PLO, right? So so now let me just discuss on the open distance learning. So I guess open distance learning nowadays is a trending, as what Dr. Aliani just saying just now, right? So for this program, we are also going to offer through this mode. So what is open distance learning is actually is known as any educational or learning producer which the teachers and students are separated. Okay, but however, you can still learn with us online, right? So this program is actually flexible. So wherever you are, okay, although you are far from us, you can still learn with us, right? So please visit the website, which is odl.utm.my, and this program is also under that website. All right, so these are some of the process because there's a few emails that I get asking what is the process. Okay, because they notice that the program is still not offered, it's still in the website. They can see the word coming soon, right? So they ask me, so when they can actually register to the program. So first, what you can do is just to go to the website, odl.utm.my, and look into the program, Master of Science, Business Intelligence and Analytics. And then from there, you can actually click, okay, to actually register. So once you register, first, what you can do is just to get the offer letter. So you will receive the offer letter via email. Then please accept. Okay, please accept via smart.utm.my. Then what you need to do is just to pay the fee structure after I will show. And then e-registration, because this is online, so everything will be online. Okay, so e-registration, update all the informations using edaftar.utm.my. Even your metric card is also online here. It's actually e, yeah. So you will receive an e-metric card upon confirmation of e-registration completion from UTM. Then we will have a briefing also online. course registration, also doing it online. And then last is actually the online learning, different from our normal platform. This one is ODL system, okay, .utm.my, where for ODL it is quite a difference from the conventional, where all the notes are already prepared earlier, and then when the students enter this platform, they can actually see all the 6 weeks, okay. All the materials will be placed earlier, and also the assessment. So students can learn earlier before you attend the class. Okay, so that is actually the differences between the ODL and also the conventional mode lah. And what you can do is just most of the notes will be also something like MOOC. Okay, where actually you can they're having a lot of videos and then some animation, right? That can help the student to learn more about that, right? Okay, these are entry requirements. The entry requirements are very similar to the conventional program. Okay, those who have not have background of computing, so we actually looking into your working experience lah. So at least 5 years. Okay, so these are the English requirement. So requirement for APEL and also for people with disabilities. So these are, I think most of the students would like to see this. So these are the fee for ODL. You can see our conventional, we have package 1 and package 2. Package 1 classes will be conducted weekdays, whereby package 2 is only weekends. Okay, ODL 19,600 for local student, Malaysian student. So international student, right? Conventional and also ODL. I think why the fee is expensive is because that we have to pay all the platform, and then we are using WebEx and so many more. All right, so these are some of the list of courses. These are the core courses that the students need to take, compulsory, yeah. So data governance, applied statistics, the only mathematics here, business intelligence, okay, data visualization, and this subject is quite very good for those who are actually using Power BI, Tableau, or so forth. Data mining, right, for analytical business solution, cloud computing for big data, research methodology, this is compulsory, project 1 and project 2. So project 1 and project 2 is actually your capstones project. Okay. Then these are the elective courses. Okay, normally we will actually offer these four subjects, but students only allowed to take three of the 4. Okay, so these are another compulsory subject, which is the university subject, and FERTIL normally will offer informatics in society. But however, but the others, right, we have to see whether they are offering through the mode of ODM. Okay. All right, so this is the curriculum structure, where semester 1, you have to take 12 credits. Semester 2 is also 12 credit. You can see here data governance, statistics, business intelligence, and data visualization. Semester 2 start with your little bit difficult, okay, data mining, cloud computing, and then research methodology, and one of the elective courses. Okay, normally we will offer business analytic. Then semester 3 will be elective 2. Normally we will offer here advanced artificial intelligence, the university courses, and we start your capstones project lah, project 1. So semester 4 another elective, and then a project 2. Okay. So this ODL modular base 6 weeks. Right, and minimum hours for online teaching is actually 12 hours. This is the minimum hours. Okay, some of the synopsis of the core courses. So you can read here. Okay, data governance is actually introduce the key concept, principle, the tools of the data governance, some mixture here. Okay, not so technical. I think most of the students can actually score this subject. Okay, apply statistic. The lecturers is here. Also, the coordinator for the conventional courses program, which is Dr. Nurul Huda. Okay, so this one apply statistic, but Dr. Nurul Huda normally will actually teach it in terms of the business intelligence and analytics. So how to actually make it intelligent. So quite a bit different from normal statistic. Okay. And then next is business intelligence. Okay, this one normally will be taught by Dr. Nilam Noor. So this course introduces students the concept practice system, and this subject actually giving a lot of introduction before you move into data mining, advanced artificial intelligence, and so forth. So it gives a very brief knowledge, right? And then data visualization, okay, this one will actually more detail on data visualization, and most of the students actually enjoy this subject because they have to actually in working area also, they told me that they have to use Power BI, Tableau and so forth. So when they took this course they can actually apply in their working environment. Okay. And then we have data mining. Okay, this is about the data mining, the computational paradigm. So here, you are actually, we will actually introduce Python here, okay, on how to do data mining, okay, and also cloud computing, right? Last is the cloud computing lah. All right. So I did not give the course synopsis here for the elective courses. However, if you would like to know more, you can ask me during this session. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Dr. Shaliza, for the very informative information. And now we open the Q&A session to the participants. If you have any question, please ask here. If you're not clear about the fee or about the program structure, you may ask now. Anyone? Mr. Vijay, do you have any question?
Act- I have a question actually, Doctor.
Yeah, sure.
So this is this course, business intelligence course is actually more like data science, right?
Yeah, but it's actually a mix with business subject.
Or more towards business, focus on business.
Yeah, it's actually a mix. If you can see the list of courses, there
Okay.
are some subject which is towards the business subject, but towards the analytic. Like when we have business analytics, and then we have business and entrepreneurship, right? But something how you process the business data.
I see.
Something like if we learn on data mining, we also apply data mining on business problem. Something like that.
Okay, Doctor. Thank you, Doctor.
Next, we have question from Aswani. What is the estimation date that student can enroll this program, Dr. Shaliza?
The SBS boleh tolong jawab.
Maybe I can help a bit. Because this program has in the process of getting approval from the ministry, so we can only open the registration starting from semester 2, but maybe in May or May onwards. So most probably the intake will be for the September this year, semester 1, session 2023-2024. So any other question?
Puan Kamsia, can the link be open earlier? Tak boleh?
Kena ada dulu, doktor kena ada dulu kelulusannya.
Kelulusan dari KPT, alright.
Because the
Because I
earliest
have
committee meeting, it will be in March. So
March.
most probably we'll get the approval letter from them 1 month after that. Then only after that we can proceed in the system.
because some of the potential student email me asking that why the link is still not open.
Dr. Noli ada nak tambah?
Because we are still waiting for the meeting at the KPT level, so actually we can't offer without their, without the approval from the ministry. So that's the answer. So once we get the approval, then we will. The link for the application can be open. For the application.
The objective of our virtual preview today is to promote early. Yeah. Actually, we will have another series of promotion after this. So this is the introduction to the program. We hope that to those participants who have attended this session will share this information to your colleagues. This is very popular program at Razak Faculty, right? For the conventional.
Yeah, correct.
So any other questions from Miss Hanisa or Mr. Justin? Mr. Nafi Ahmed?
Mr. Nafi is actually one of the degree student. Again, and dia punya classmate asking that whether they can just take the courses of advanced artificial intelligence. Only that courses only for conventional lah. So that is what they ask. Okay, I think can. I'm not sure.
Mr. Justin? Do you have any question?
No, thank you.
So currently you are in Malaysia or China?
Justin is in
I'm
Malaysia now.
Malaysia. I'm in KL already.
Oh, okay. Miss Hanisa. Hanisa also a student. Is it? Okay, since everyone maybe do not have the idea to us yet, but never mind, we will share the slides and the recording at our SPS website later, and maybe you can share with your colleagues as well. So I think that's all for our session for today. If you don't have any question, we'd like to
Puan Kimi, sorry to interrupt. Maybe the participants can fill in the survey form, and then we will share the slide with them.
yeah. Please fill up the survey form that we share at the chat box. Okay. So before we end our program, we would like to thank Dr. Shaliza and also Dr. Shah Azmila for the first session. Associate Professor Dr. Samira and lecturers from the Razak faculty and also the participants to our virtual program preview for today. So we hope that this is not it will not end here. We hope that we can see you in UTM later after you register to enroll to our program later. Okay. So thank you very much again for participating in this program. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.
Assalam.
Salam.